video, we're going to take a look at the process of deciding how to do black and grey shading, how to easily produce a trace so that we can do a semi-realistic towards realistic and maybe hyper-realistic tattoo. But starting out, it's quite difficult to find out how to do the trace in order for us to be able to achieve a good quality outcome. So in the art world, most very simplistic charcoal sketches and so on, people who work with black and grey, specialize in using a value system made up of black on the one side, white on the other, and two greys in between. So basically how it works is you have black and a dark grey, and you have white and a just off-white. So this gives you a four color system, and this is your full range of value that you would use in your sketch. Now, in the tattoo industry, over the last couple of thousand years, we've developed our own system, and this is a six-step value system with black on the one side, white on the other, and 4 steps in between. So as you learn more and more about the tattoo industry, you become more familiar with this. This doesn't mean that there are only 6 steps from black to white. On a computer, with the conventions we use today, there are 255 shades of grey, but in effect there's an infinite number of shades. But the human eye can't see all of these. So on a computer screen, between the value of 0, which is black, and about 50, which is a grey, you can't tell the difference. So it's very difficult for the human eye to tell fine differences. And certainly between 49 and 50 shade, it's totally impossible for the human eye to tell the difference. Okay, so in tattoo industry, we've simplified it down to 6 rather large steps. And that's quite difficult when you're starting out in this industry to actually know how to do that. So what I've done is on our skinart.co.za site, so that's our South African skin art site, we have a tool under the video section where you would find this video, and there's a tool which will help you to find out how to do your trace nice and easily. So I'm going to head over to the computer now, and I'm going to run through how to use this tool to produce a 6-step value system in a tattoo trace. I hope you find it informative and helpful. Hi. Welcome to this little video just to show you how to use our tattoo value system image tool. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So you get to this page by going onto our website and navigating under our video section to the tattoo value system video, and when you click on the link, you come to this web page. Very, very simple. Okay, so what you'll see at the top is a heading, and then you'll see a little button that says choose a file, upload, there's a little create button, and there's a big number 1, obviously you can see, and result. Okay, so let's go and choose a file. So I'm going to click choose, and we should get our Windows dialog box, opens default into your Windows pictures, and I'm just going to go along and choose this particular picture over here, which I find quite nice, and I'm going to then click upload. Okay, as long as the image is under the limit, you will see this happen straight away. Now, the exciting thing about this software is that on the left-hand side is my original image, and on the right-hand side is a tattoo value system image. So let's just have a little look at that. So I'm going to press Control and plus and zoom a little bit, and then I will roll down so we can have a little bit of a look. Okay, so hopefully you can see that nice and clearly. Okay, so what we have is if we look at the shades of gray, we can see there are some parts of the image are black. So hopefully you can see these black segments. Okay, then there's some dark gray. So this color here around the neck, there's a shadow there. There's some deep shadows in the ears. You can see that's a very dark gray. Then we have a slightly less dark gray. So if you have a look here around here under the armpit there, a little bit on the muscle, there's a little bit over there, and some on the head. Okay, and then you can see there's a lighter gray here, the chest, the pec muscle, that's all this lighter gray. We've got some lighter gray here on the chin. We've got a little bit of light gray here on the nose and here on the forehead a little bit. Okay, and then finally we have some white bits, and you'll see there's not that many white bits. There's a bit. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that a little introduction to the value system, and that you find it of value in your tattoos going forward.